This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word. I will be using Microsoft 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To enable dark mode in Word, you want to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the File tab. You want to click on File. Then you want to go down all the way to the bottom, down to where it says Options, and click on Options. And in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to make sure you're on General. And then, under Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, right down here, Office Theme, off to the right over here, make sure that Never Change the Document Page Color is not checked. You don't want that to be checked. As you can see, I am currently set to use system settings. I'm going to click the drop down. And for dark mode, you either want dark gray or black. I'm going to click on black. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on OK. That is how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.